For the first time in 13 years, the B-52 Stratofortress commands a sustainable presence in the Central Command Theater. B-52s from Barksdale have replaced the B-1 Lancer as the long-range strike bomber in the fight against ISIL. From its conception in 1952, the B-52 has been the face of air superiority. Boeing designed this jet to be America's first long-range, swept-wing heavy bomber, capable of meeting the nation's defense needs. Since then, it has dominated the skies in conflicts to include the Vietnam War, the Cold War, the Gulf War, and the opening stages of both Operations Enduring and Iraqi Freedom. Today, it stands as the symbol of American air power, patrolling the skies as our nation's sword and shield, its sentry and avenger. With more than 60 years of service, the B-52 is among the most battle-hardened aircraft in the Air Force arsenal. Over the years, the Buff has seen some impressive upgrades. Its most recent is the Combat Network Communications Technology System, which provides full-color LCD, real-time intel feeds, moving maps, a state-of-the-art computing network, and the ability to retarget a weapon or mission's parameters during flight. This long-range strike bomber provides unmatched firepower around the world. At 185,000 pounds, the jet holds the record for the longest combat